Alchemists need ingredients, and to keep track of the various items they use a list.
Water 35 liters, carbon 20 kilograms.
The list is essential to their transmutation. Remember, to achieve a result, something must be given. In Python, we offer up space to collect items in a structure known as a list. Lists maintain the order of elements as they insert, allowing us to access elements by their position. Let's look how we define a list. So like always, we define our variable, and inside a variable, we create 2 square brackets. We then put our items in, 2 double quotes around it, and for more items, we do a comma and more double quotes. And we keep doing it until our list is fully completed. And just like our strings, we can access our list by printing it to the screen. We can use our print function with our F string and print our ingredients right to our screen to see what's in them. And here's our original list. Let's say we forgot an ingredient, which we did, and we need to append or add a new item to our list. We can use our ingredients variable with the .append method, which will append our list with an item at the end. So we'll go ahead in our append, we'll put in soul DNA.
Finally, we need some soul data.
Which is one of the most important ingredients we need for humans transmutation. And then we'll go ahead, take our ingredients again, print it out to the screen, and we'll notice that we now have soul DNA added to the end of our list. Our list of ingredients is now created. Each one resides at a unique position, much like a specific shelf in a library. This position is actually called an index, and it starts from 0, not 1 in most coding languages. So to get our third ingredient, we're gonna have to make a new variable called third ingredient, assign it to our ingredients variable, which is actually assigned to our list, add double square brackets to it, and in here, we're gonna put the number 3. This is actually going to tell Python, hey, we want to look up the third index of our list and then print it out through our third ingredient variable. So we'll hit print and we find out that the third ingredient is lime. In further videos, we'll actually go through indicing, which will allow you to give a range of lists to figure out where they start and where they end. So moving on to our next segment in list manipulation, we have pop, which is a great way to remove something. Originally, we actually added soul DNA to our list, but somehow we have copper on our list, and copper is not part of human transmutation. We want to go ahead and remove this. Inside of a list, we have something called a pop method, which is a great way to remove an ingredient. We'll take our original ingredients list, we'll do .pop, and we need to add in the index number that we want. In this case, we know that copper is number 12. We'll put number 12 into parentheses, we'll print out the ingredients again, and copper is now gone, back to our normal list. The last example we have is reverse. We can take a variable called reverse ingredients, and if you see, our list is actually in the wrong order. And this is helpful if you need to reverse things really quickly to see a number range. Well, we can take our reverse ingredients and use the reverse method and print it right to our console and put it right back in their correct order. And with the press of a button, you can see how flexible Python lists can be. And just remember, alchemists, just as ourselves, combine ingredients with provision and alchemy. In Python, lists give you the power to craft, combine, and curate collections seamlessly. But always remember, the law of exchange guides our path and reminds us of all the trade-offs that we make. When we're adding items to lists, we're taking up more memory. When we're removing items to lists, we're removing that item and we're gaining more memory. There's always a trade-off in everything we do and always follows a law of equivalent exchange. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, like and subscribe, and I'll check you all at the next one. Peace out, alchemists.